Hey Andy, how are you and everyone doing at Sky Roof? I put together a custom video for you showing you how you could grow your business online and get more leads. And for the sake of time, I'm just going to go over three main areas. I'm going to go over content, citations, and backlinks. Okay, so I'm just going to jump right on in here. So with Google, they like content. That's what helps them determine on who they're going to put on the first page and how they're going to rank your website. Okay, so having the right structure and the right, keywords is what's important. So first of all, I do love you guys' website. I love the logo. I love the colors. You have, all of the right information um, listed about what you do. I love the pictures and everything. So that's good. However, in order to turn it into a lead generation machine, you want to make sure that you have at least 1,500 words. So we have at least 1,500 words on the first page of all of our websites. Another thing that you want to factor in is what your competition is doing. So if your competition has more than 1,500 words, then you're going to put, 3,000 words, whatever you have to do to stay on top of whoever's on that first spot. Okay, so just putting in more wording here on your services is crucial. Also, there's ways to implement more content if you can't come up with it. Having the right structure is important. So up here, you could list so when someone hovers over here, it will list all of your services here and go to separate pages, giving your website even more content and more structure. So when someone can click here and read more, it will actually go to a different page, giving them more information. Okay, you can actually also you can label your pictures on the back end, and that helps uh, build your website up to that first page. There's a lot of things that go in on the back end to help optimize this page, and we'll have it rank and be on the first page of Google so you can get more leads. And also, this area down here where you have areas where we serve. So it's great that you service all these areas because you can actually be on the first page for all of these cities. And if you're on the first page or even the first like top three spots for all of these cities, imagine the amount of calls you're going to get. So right here where it says Atlanta, Georgia, this should be clickable and it should take me to another page where it talks about Atlanta, Georgia roofing. If I was to click right here where it says Lakewood, Colorado, it should take me um, to another page where it's specific for that area. And once you have your website structured like that, you're going to get tons of more leads in those areas by having your website optimized like that. All right. So I'll show you, for example, this is a competitor in your area just because I want to give you like a visual, kind of a visual of what I mean. So if you see here where they're using the keywords, so Atlanta's best roofer. So when a customer is searching in Google, those are the keywords that they are going off of: Atlanta, roofer, roofer placement in Atlanta, things like that. So having that, on your top header section, having it throughout the words, Atlanta's trusted roofer company, having those words in the same sentences, it alerts the Google, it alerts the search engines that, hey, this is a good website to pull up in that area. And that's how you get it ranked. If you look here, down here, where they have their service areas, if you see here, you can actually click on it and it's going to take you to another web page talking to just specifically on that area and on that keyword. So if I click on Atlanta roofer, and sorry that my computer is loading slow, but they have a separate page where it just says Atlanta's best roofer. Okay, and I want to show you just one more here. So if I was to click on Kennesaw roofer here, because they service in Kennesaw, see how it's going to take us to another page, and that page is dedicated to Kennesaw wording. So they're going to use a lot of Kennesaw roof repairs. So that's causing this business to get leads from all of those areas just by using those right keywords and having the content optimized, fully optimized. Uh, and giving as much information as they can Those things is what's going to make this type of website appear on the first page, and they're actually on the first page for Atlanta roofers. Okay, so what we're going to do is jump on over to Google and go over citations. So if someone is typing in, of course, Atlanta roofer, the way that you're going to get on this first page, of course, besides ads, of course, ads are good to run as well. But if you're doing it organically, by using your website. You're going to, of course, get on this first page at the top by having it optimized, as we just went over. And you're going to get up here in this top 3 map pack by having, of course, the reviews and citations. So, what a citation is it's having your name, address, and phone number listed on directories across the internet. Okay, so having your business listed on Angie's, having it listed on Yelp, having it listed on Expertise, having it listed on BBB, having it listed on, again, the Yellow Pages, things like that. Those are citations. Having your business information listed across different directories and businesses. Okay, so the more of those you have, it alerts Google and alerts the search engines that you're a credible business, and it starts to push you up to the top. Now, we actually have tools where we can see how many citations your competitors have, so we can actually see how many times their business is listed on other directories, and we can see what directories they're listed on. So that way, you can, there's ways you can make sure that you're listed on as many things as possible. So that's one thing that's crucial, and of course, those reviews. So if you look here, Bell Roofing has 392 reviews. Mr. Roofer of Atlanta has 104 reviews. But they're still on top. So that means that there's something else about them that's placing them on top. It's just not the reviews. What's placing them on top is that they have a lot of their profiles optimized, and they have their website optimized. So those things are very important. So fully having your website optimized in this profile here is what's going to get you to the top. If you notice, they have over 610 photos. Google pays attention to that. They actually judge you off of, you know, um, how many photos you have compared to your competition. You also want to make sure this is optimized by having, of course, your description and updating regularly. So Google has the post section now where you can update regularly. So you can put your, pictures in here with some wording regularly just to show that you're an active profile and that you're keeping things up to date. All of these things is what helps your business show up at the top, because people are not prone to go to page 2 and 3. So if you scroll down here, after a customer looks at all of these businesses, they're going to choose. Studies show that they're going to choose someone off of this first page. It's very rare that they're going to keep scrolling all the way down, and so we want to make sure that we get up here at the top, and optimizing everything is the way that you're going to do that. All right, so now I'm just going to jump over and go over backlinks. So what I did was I put in your website, and I put in one of your competitors' website into a tool that I use called Ahrefs. So this tool gives me the background information on a website. It lets me know, how many links it has to it. It lets me know the score for the website and everything. So I have your website profile pulled up, and it's giving me your profile information for your website. Okay, so it tells me how many backlinks you have, your domains, how many keywords is associated with your business. Okay, so to go further detail on what a backlink is another website pointing back to your website, giving you like popularity. This is like a popularity contest. So when someone from another area or another business shouts out Sky Roof, that helps you. It helps you with Google. So the more times, more shout outs you get, the better. That's the best way for me to explain it. So if you look here, you have 34 backlinks. So building up that profile, getting more shout outs, getting more websites to link back to your website is what's going to help you raise your score. and then you'll start getting traffic. Because right now you're not getting any organic traffic. No one's finding you on Google right now. So, I mean, they're not finding your website. I don't know if you're using other metrics, but uh, once you optimize everything, you'll start, this number will go up and you'll be found for keywords in your area. So I want to show you a Dr. Roos profile, their ranking in Google. And if you see, they have thousands of backlinks. They have almost 1,000 keywords associated with their website, and they're getting over 1,000 visits to their website every month. This is going off of, these are monthly numbers. So they have this many people, over 1,000 coming to their website, just from having it optimized, doing the back work of getting backlinks, reaching out, to other businesses, websites, and getting those links. Those are the things that's going to help you grow, and then you will start to get traffic, and your website will then be a lead generating machine. Um, so I just wanted to, just go over that. And before I leave, I just want to show you some of the traffic in our area for people that are looking for roofing. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. So I'm not going that much in depth, but there's so much more information I could give you guys. But look here, there's 450 people just searching the words roofer Atlanta, Georgia every month. There's 100 searching for roofer Atlanta. If you look in another area I put up here, oh, excuse me. This is not another area. This is another word. So just if someone's just searching Atlanta roofing, there's 3,000 people searching Atlanta roofing every month. Now it is competitive to get up there for this particular word, but it's possible. We got 450 people looking for Atlanta roofing specialists. Now, if we go to another area, roofing for Marietta, there's 350 people looking for that every month. So imagine once you have your website optimized for all of these areas. Alpharetta Roofing, 600 people every month looking for Alpharetta Roofing. So once you have all of these areas optimized, you will actually be getting some of this traffic from all of these areas. So the more areas you have, the better. So the possibilities are endless. Yes, I did kind of go a little bit extended. There's more information I can give you guys. If you want to know more, if you want to learn more, just let me know. I hope you did learn something today. I tried to go a little bit shorter. I ran over what I wanted to do, but I wanted to give you guys this information. Thank you for watching my video, and have a great rest of your day. All right, take care.